Hey guys, so I'm gonna be making a video of packing a bag for bonfire night. And if you don't know what it is, because you live in America or the USA, somewhere around there, then if you don't know what it is, then it's just like a place where you go see fireworks, and it's just like the 4th of July, so just like it, but it's in November. So yeah. So the first thing you need to pack is dummy pacifier, passy, binky, whatever you call it. So we really need this, because what if she gets scared of the loud noises of the fireworks? So maybe she needs to calm down and put it in her mouth like that. So yeah, you definitely need that. So this is also what you should put in your bag too, if you live in the UK, and maybe pack it for 4th of July. So, and then the next thing you definitely need, an extra diaper, nappy, whatever you call it. Because she doesn't want to sit round sitting in like poop, pee, because like that will really spoil it, because she'd be like, oh, this is so uncomfortable, but also it will be really uncomfortable for her. So yeah, you definitely need that. The next thing you need is this kind of coat. It's a coat, but with like a dressing gown thing. But yeah, so you definitely need that if she gets cold, or whoever you're bringing. Oh my gosh, this is a small bag, so don't blame me on breaking it. But anyway, wow. So, and then the next thing you need is obviously her toy. But hers is downstairs and she didn't want to take it up because she always like gets scared of losing it. So she has like this purple dolly, and then yeah, you should always bring that, because like again with the passy binky pacifier dummy, yeah, that's the same. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe, and in the comments say if you've ever done this video on your YouTube channel before. So yeah, bye. Remember to subscribe. So I lost a subscriber, by the way. Bye. Bye.